Hello, this is future me. I forgot to insert a video clip that I had earlier and I deleted it already, so I'm just gonna re-record it. It's easier that way. I just wanted you guys to know, if you guys remember Scrap Chica, she used to have a YouTube channel where she used to craft, and she was so amazing. Gosh, she was so meticulous. Everything was perfect. It was beautiful. So anyways, towards the end of her YouTube recording, I think that's how you say it, she started crocheting, and she actually crocheted some little owl coasters for me, and that was pretty much how she ended it. She was just crocheting. She's amazing. So she stopped making videos. I stopped making videos. A couple of other of my friends, YouTubers, that really stopped making videos, we just left it. I recently came back, obviously. Well, Scrap Chica is actually back, but she has a new YouTube channel, and her YouTube channel is Crochet Chica. I will put the link below. You guys need to go follow her, support her. It's all about crocheting. She is amazing. She is so freaking talented. It's crazy. She's freaking awesome. So anyways, yeah, please go to her new channel, Crochet Chica. And she's made already some crochet items, donuts, banner. Sorry guys, I'm really tired. Donut banner, and super cute. And then she also made some crocheted masks. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. So anyways, go check her out. Link will be below, and enjoy the rest of the video where I'm rambling and it's choppy, and I'm sorry, but I did the best that I could. I also forgot to put the pattern in, so maybe I'll do that later because it's almost midnight and I'm tired and I want to go to sleep, and I need to edit this video and I need to upload it already because it's been forever. But you see different shirts on me. That tells you how many days it took me to do this. All right guys, well, I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Make sure if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them below, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. I might just put the pattern on my Facebook page, maybe. All right, good night guys, and see you later. Bye. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you what not to do when you sew masks. First, what not to do. Always do not, or wait, how am I gonna word this? Always make a pattern. Just make a pattern, whether it's from cardstock or whatever. Make a pattern, because I didn't. I just went by other masks and just cut away frantically, not even thinking about the thing. So I'm going to show you guys some of my first masks. So okay, so here's the masks. These are one of the first original ones, and you can see one that's hanging. It's huge. So this one actually works for, well, backwards. What way is it? This one? Yeah. So this one works better for men, because look how big. Like literally, oh. So I think I might take this one apart, because I mean, a lot of men don't really, I've had this for a while, nobody wants it. And they're all different sizes. And these are the ones that I wear, so that's why I'm showing you guys. See, this is the one that has a pipe cleaner, that's what it's called, a pipe cleaner. And I sewed it with the zigzag, and then I think on this one, I just went back and forth. The only problem with this one is that the wire starts poking through after a while. And this is, I'll show you this one. Same thing, same problem. It's like, I mean, it's not too bad, but it goes all the way, like it's too large. I mean, some people prefer it that way. If they do, I cut it bigger. But anyways, so this is the one of the, and it does have a little bit of a gap. So all of these, my high school was Wasco tires. So I made myself a Wasco tire one, but same thing. It's humongous. So I think, like I said, all this fabric that I'm showing you guys right now, these masks, they're all gone. So I'm really thinking I'm just gonna take this apart and use it and make it with the new pattern. And I bought these nose bridges, and everything that I got was on Amazon. These nose bridges, which is so much better than the pipe cleaner. One of the reasons why I made a pocket, and then I just pinched this up so this would go against my face, so instead of the wire hitting on my cheek, it goes up. And and I've used it for, this mask is about a month old. I do take out the wire when I wash it, and nothing, haven't had any problems. So this is the mask, the last pattern mask, which I actually do have a pattern for. Like I said, it's a mixture, mishmash of a lot of other masks. I don't know if I did the same measurements as them. I just used my face. So this one has a casing. Does waste a lot more elastic though. And then, like I said, it's not perfect because that's the back. That's the front. Yes, you can line it, so this and this, and it can be pretty. I don't care if it's pretty in the back. I really don't. This one does not have a pocket, but you can make it a pocket easily. You just have to alter the pattern a little bit, and I'll show you guys my pattern in a bit. So this one fits a lot better, I feel. I need to wash this one because I've been using this one. So this is how this one fits. It fits a lot better. This part I like because you can pull this. You don't have any gaps right here. I feel like this one has less gaps. And it is harder to breathe. My oxygen level doesn't change, but it's just, can you breathe? Because this is a little bit of a thicker material, which that's the point. That's why I didn't put a pocket on this one, because it has 2 layers of cotton. Now if I'm gonna use a lighter, like a handkerchief or a very light fabric, I will make it with a pocket, or I will put another layer in between. I find a pocket a lot easier because then I use these. I already washed these too as a filter. These are felt, so I put that in between the ones that are lighter. But I try not to use this because this is really hot. In the wintertime, this is perfect. So that's why I'm gonna wintertime, I'm probably gonna make a little bit of a different one. But anyway, so yeah, this is the newest pattern. People like this one a lot better. I made it for men, just made them wider like this one. And yeah. Okay, so in this part I show you how to sew it without a pocket. You just sew all the way through. This is one entire piece folded over. And in the second clip I show you is how to make a pocket. So you do back and forth stitch towards the pocket. In the ends, you'll see it there, and then do it on the other side as well. Not gonna focus. Anyway, so you have the little gap here, and what you're gonna flip it over. There's a whole bunch of other tutorials out there, so just. Okay, so now you have this little gap here. So what you're going to do is fold it over about that much, because you do need enough space to put your nose bridge if you're going to use a nose bridge here. Or if you're going to sew just a little bridge like that, that's not a big deal. But if you're going to put a casing, you're going to need enough room up here. Okay, so my pocket is on this side. So what I'm going to do, I usually do this by hand, so it's not, I just go like that, and then pin and pin. Actually, I'll do that right now. And then I'll put, usually what I'll do is I'll put my thumbs right here as a guide, and then do another one right there, and then pin. And you can do as many pleats as you want. You can do different kinds of pleats. There's a whole bunch of different ways of doing this. This is, for me, just fits my face better. I feel like it's easier. And the last one, same thing. And there we go. For thicker fabrics, like way thicker than this, I make some sarapes, a pocket on those. What I do, the folding that I do for that one is one up here and then one down here. So regular pleat up here, upside down pleat like that. Let's see if I can. So it would be a mask like that, and the same thing I would put a bridge. If I do end up making a sarape one, I will go ahead and pinning all the masks. This is a little child's mask, so what I'll be doing is sewing from here to here and here to here on each of these masks. Okay, so what I did with all the masks after I sewed all the, see what one you can see better, all the edges, I used my pinking shears on the edges just to make it clean. It's easier to put the casing on. So for the casing, this is the back of it, and this is the front. So I cut the pieces. I cut all the pieces of fabric. Let's see, really long, just because it's easier just to cut per mask. So I cut this mask, this part like this, and then since I know this is the front, I'm putting. Let's see if I can do this. Putting it like this, and this is the front. So just make sure your print, if you're using a print that has upside and downside, make sure you put it in the same way. And then I'm gonna put it over like this and like this. I'm gonna put a pin just like I did here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew right here. Okay, so here I show you how to finish this off. So you're going to pull the ends out after you sew them, fold the edges in so that you don't have any raw ends, and fold it over a little bit and then fold it over again, and then do a top stitch on both sides, and then you'll have your rubber band casing. Wire here, I'm just gonna do the bridge. So how I do the nose bridge is fold it in half, and then I pinch the middle part, and this is the front that I'm doing. I pinch in the middle, and then what I do, I pull this down so that way I have a nice straight stitch. And what I'll do is I'll guesstimate, but I'll put like a semi triangle. Actually, what I'll do is I'll sew from here to here, and this just gives me a little rough estimate. Okay, so this next step is to make a wire bridge, nose bridge. So what I do is I fold over one end, sew that, and then I fold over the other end, fold that in half, and then sew along the side. And then what I do after this is, when you have the little spool, you just have to bend it flat so that way the seam was on the bottom and the smooth side on the top. Okay, and then the next step is folding your mask in half, folding your nose bridge in half, lining that up in between, and you're going to do a stitch around so that way you have a pocket. Okay, so this is how I sew the casing. So like you see, I went all the way around, down and around, and I made this one a little bit thinner just so I can show you guys how careful you have to be. So depending on your wire, I would recommend getting a wire pipe cleaner. Will fit in here. Okay, the audio was awful at this last clip, so this is the end result. I feel it's more comfortable to my face. I really like this last pattern. I think I'm gonna stick with it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk to you guys later, and see you later. Bye.